Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use keyboards, virtual keyboards, when your keyboards on laptop damaged or when you have no keyboard. There is a virtual keyboard on screen keyboard in Windows. Go to Start menu and on the set box type on screen, and you will see that on screen or and you will see this on screen keyboard. Open it and here you will type with this keyboard if your button have damaged and not work and you don't have any keyboards, you can launch it and start and apply, and when you log in, your phone screen keyboard will be launched on startup. You can type with this keyboard. This is the video tutorial. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.